This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Loops Theater District, just a short block south of the fabulous Riverwalk, for a tour of one of the apartments at the landmark Century Tower. I've just walked into Unit 1112, a one-bedroom. You have a very attractive U-shaped kitchen as you enter off to the right. There's a breakfast bar lip on the peninsula. You have that U-shaped layout that cooks really enjoy, and there's a 4-burner electric range, stainless steel dishwasher, microwave, one of several finished packages here at Century Tower. You have wide blonde plank flooring. Off to the left as you enter, there's a coat closet with double hanging, and there's a full-size front-loading washer-dryer. Bath, continuing, is off to the left. It's a nice size vanity. Frameless glass door on the shower. Large gray tile, both in the shower surround and on the floor. And then you have a mirrored medicine cabinet with makeup mirrors as you open them. Looking at the compact living area here, you have roller blinds on all the windows. And heading around into the bedroom, organizers in the bedroom closet. Century Tower has a great loop location, a block from the Riverwalk, in the downtown theater district. Literally steps from a ton of restaurants, bars, and right across the river from the hot River North scene. You really have to put the landmark Century Tower on your must-see list when you're looking for an apartment where everything is new in downtown Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.